Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to use Google Keep for notes in 2025. Now, it's a simple but powerful application that helps you capture your ideas, your lists and reminders across all of your devices. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. Now, first of all, on your desktop, you need to simply search for this URL, which is keep.google.com. You can also download the Google Keep application on your phone. It will going to sync automatically with your Google account. So once you have done that, you are going to see this type of take a note section. So over here, you can just simply add the text or the links or any of your ideas that is in your mind quickly. For task, you can select the checkbox option to make it a to-do list. So let's say I want to add this particular thing over here, and after hitting the enter, it will come here something like this. If you want to add a list, simply click on the option of this check mark icon. Then you can again type your task and it will basically act like a task. Now over here you can do a bunch of different things in this task. Like first of all, you can make changes into the formatting. You can increase or decrease the text size. You can make it bold, italic and add underline. Then we have the background changing option. So you can add the colors and images as you can see. Then we have the option of reminder. So for this particular task, if you want to get the reminder, you can select remind me later option. You can add collaborator into it. If you have any images that you want to add in it, you can definitely go ahead and do so. If you want to archive this particular task, you can click on the option of archive. Then when you click on the option of these three dots, you will be able to basically delete your note. You will be able to add label, add drawing. Basically, all in all, you can do bunch of different things with the help of this note taking application. So you can definitely go ahead and start using it today. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.